real estate because they want to live in it.
But like most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. There's a name for them. We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay. All right. Like the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forevermore.
Forever.
Right. I mean, right. But I mean, we can all look Bitcoin sort of as
forevermore. People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor.
Yes. What is going on, man? My name is Gerald Peters. Welcome to the Money Flow, man. Welcome to the Peters Report. This is Friday. Try to go live every Monday and Friday, and this is not a live video. I just realized I'm not doing my live video. We might do one later this afternoon, but I want to do a chart check-in. We want to cover the win real quick. I want to look at what's happened in healthcare. The XLV is breaking out. We hold positions in Merck, Bristol Myers, Big Daddy Pfizer, AMG, what is it? Amgen, AMGN, and Gilead, GILD. These are the main, and then Viking Therapeutics. These are the main pharmaceuticals that I'm holding. We saw a breakout in that, and I believe that we've been seeing this coming for a minute. We've been talking about it. I don't know if you've been talking about it. Let me pull this up, but let's put in the XLV. This is the XLV is the Healthcare Select Sector Spider Fund ETF. Now, what you're going to see is we've had 3 days here. Let me pull up the chart, man. Come on, G. There we go. Now we're looking at the chart. Hey, by the way, guys, hit that QR code and get on the damn list. You can get on. We're putting out the Bitcoin report with G. That's just me. And then MFG and the trade desk and people that help me. We put out the Peters report where we put out our swing trade of the week. And we got one of those coming, man. It should hit today with an email to follow. But hey, also, if you're looking for somebody to trade with, why don't you come trade with G here? Text me at 1-936-661-7786. That's me, man. Me personally. Don't call. I'm not going to answer. But if you text, I'll text you back. And we can conversate and get your trading going. So we've been waiting for this breakout for a minute. If you come over here to every Sunday, I publish the Peters Report PDF. It's about 42 pages, mostly pictures. So you'll be able to do it, okay? It's mostly pictures. So don't get all stressed out. And basically, front page is the markets were a blast. And we talk about the win, which is gold, and the NASDAQ and the S&P 500. And what else? We got the diamonds, which is the Dow. We've got bonds, which is the TLT. And, man, we got the Bitcoin, and we got oil, and we got the Russell. These are the 7 major asset classes in the entire world. And these are the 7 that we need to know. And we track these in a proprietary tracking concept called the wind, okay? Now, we even made a little software the other day that does the wind for you. That's pretty cool. I mean, I don't need it. I know how to do it. I can do it fast, man. Hey, go over here and check out my article. I do a little article on a trader's life creating, if I can get my internet to connect here. A trader's life creating order out of chaos. What my first mentor told me that changed my life, man. And this is about Jim Rohn. We also had that in the Substack letters. Get in there and read it, man. I hope you watched a couple Jim Rohn videos. If you did, I'm going to be honest. I'm proud of you. If you didn't get your damn money's worth. You're wasting your damn time. You spent money with me and didn't follow through. Come on, man. I'm trying to help you become a better trader. I'm waiting on you. Get your shit together. Let's do it, man. Damn. Come on, man. Let's make some money. This right here, we're making money moves. Isn't that what Cardi B says? This right here is filled with the trades that I'm taking. Picture after picture. And in the back is my whiteboard, man. It's over here in my living room, matter of fact. Right here, the wind, gold, the S&P, NASDAQ, the NASDAQ, the Dow Jones, oil, bonds, and Bitcoin. Bitcoin went from the bottom, and now it's popping up. And guess what? What's happening? Oil's coming down, okay? So you see how this works, right? Now, look on here. If we look, this is why homework's so important. If you don't do your homework on Sunday, man, you can't keep up with me. I know that. You got no chance, son. I do it every week. I have for 17 years. When you're busy, I'm still doing this. Come on, man. I'm waiting on you. Right here, restaurants, pharma, AI, mortgage-backed security REITs. That's an MBS, okay? This is what's going to happen when you come over here. What happened to my thing here? Put me back, man. Come on, man. All right, now I'm back. What's going to happen is I'm going to teach you how to do this, man. I'm going to teach you how to do it. You're going to get badass doing your homework. You're going to know all about the stock market. Everybody else is going to look dumb to you. You're going to understand what is a stage 1, what is a stage 3. You're going to understand how to value a business to know if it's overpriced or underpriced, or if it's fair value. You're going to be able to create trade ideas. You're going to track the ones that are running. You're going to track your top favorite crypto coins. If you don't have any, you're going to get off your ass and get one. You're going to start tracking the dogs of the Dow, and I'm explaining the reason why. We're going to start doing the B&Bs and the breakouts and the growths, and you're going to have power that you've never had before and the ability to control your own assets. Okay? Man, this is getting me pumped up. So the point is, I had this as an asterisk. I was expecting this. You'll see. I'll do that. I'll put last year. I'm expecting that to go down. Possible government shutdown, and we shut down. Jobs report Friday. Well, that ain't going to happen. You see what I'm saying? Oil was run. Now it turned down. We got speculations over here. Look over here. ENVX. That's on the speculation list. That means you got to be careful, man. That's all that means. So let me pull it up. So there's healthcare. We see it breaking out. Look at the pattern, the XLV. If we were to put in the other ones here, let's put in Merck, MRK. What happened? Boom, big bounce. And look what's happening. We're above the 200, means we're back in the bull. But look right in here, okay? If you notice, previous high, previous support, resistance and support, takes it across. We can see it move up into the 93. RSIs are already extreme, guys. These RSIs are already extreme, okay? So that, boom, 2 days on some of these stocks because they had moved so little and they had put in such a consolidation that 2-day movement triggers the RSI. I would let them wait, let it work off that. It's got to work off that overbought condition. That RSI's got to pull back, okay? And let me show you another one. So what else we got in there? We're going to save changes. No. What do we got going? Pfizer looks the same. Look at Pfizer. We got a 72 RSI. Blew past the previous high, man. Let me take this up. Look at that. Pfizer blew past the previous high. Man, I mean, come on, man. Are you even playing? Are you even playing the game here? Or are we just going to wait on you? Gerald, I can't play right now. My mama won't let me come out and play. My friends always say, why you got to say stuff like that, man? Because it's true. It's true, man. A lot of people are broke because their spouse is making them broke. A lot of people are broke just because they're afraid to accept. Look at that doji right there. Look at that doji right there, man. Right there at the fucking top. Doji. Look at that. Here's a doji at the bottom. Are you watching for dojis? Are you watching for turnaround candles? Right? So we got more than just charts, man. We got social sentiment, right? We got moving averages. We got indicators. We got market structure. We got stage 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we got fundamentals. Is the stock overvalued, undervalued, or fair value? Where does it fit within the construct of your entire portfolio? Or are you just momentum trading? Or did I just go over your head? Because you're playing checkers. And the rest of us, I'm trying to get rich, man. I'm playing fucking chess. So I don't know what you're playing. I hope you're playing chess, man. If you're in the MFG, if you're not, come trade with me. Send me a text at 1-936-661-7786. If you're serious, if you're not serious, and you're just playing with yourself, then go do that with somebody else, man. Go do that with the Wealth Squad or something. Go do that with somebody else. Don't do it with me. I'm trying to create killers. I'm trying to create stock assassins, man. You know what's up. You're going to kill it. You're going to find trades. You're going to take trades. You're going to make some money. Look at ENVX. This is one that we hunted down. This was a trade of the week. This thing had run all the way to 16. We took it down in there. Why? Look at this. Okay, you don't have to be a genius. You do this every goddamn time. If there is an extreme RSI and you get a doji, a reverse hangman, you take your money off the table. Okay, you take money off the table. That's things lining up. Okay, you don't need to be a genius. If you see it at the top in the RSI, you know it's coming. By the way, I day trade too. If you want to day trade, if you got it in you, we go in our Discord, go in the team. I've been trading Tesla. I'm going to start trading back with you guys. A lot of people piss me off. I stopped trading in there. If you got it in you and you want to trade, let's trade, man. I don't know if all of you have it in you, though. Let's trade, man. I've been waiting on you guys. I need some people to rise up. I need some leaders, man. I need some leaders. People keep quitting on me. Quitters. Where are we at? Quitters. People keep quitting on me. How about we stop that shit, man? How about we honor our word. We do what we said we were going to do. Why don't you do that, man? Why don't you do what the fuck you said you were going to do? You said you were going to trade. You said you were going to take every trade of the week with me, and then you missed one. Why? Go back and do it. Come on, man. Let's go, man. We're trying to... You have everything you need inside of you to be more, do more, and have more. Instead, you're quitting on yourself. I've seen too much quitting this year. It's fucking gross, man. So get the shit together. Yeah, you get your shit together. Enough, man. God's trying to make you rich. You're not listening. This is a beautiful swing trade. You're going to see it just like this. And so we're going to set a target up in here around the 15. It's going to stop right in here. I would have told you that right here because of the gap. See that gap? And there's one there, right? And then right in there. So these areas will get stuck in. Let's look at gold real quick. GLD, look at this. 77 RSI. This mofo's been on an RSI stream this whole way. All right? This whole way. I made about $6,000 trading gold in the last couple of weeks, man. Using futures contracts on the Coinbase platform, and it's easy. You click some fucking buttons, and that's it. And I still have people going, Gerald, how does it work, Gerald? Click the button. It's not that difficult, man. I'm going to be doing a class on how to trade Bitcoin using perpetual contracts, which are different than futures contracts. They're a new derivative, and you can trade them on Coinbase if you're not too much of a to do it, okay? I don't know where you're at, man. You might be scared. Oh, I don't want to trade you. I'm scared. All right, what else we got, man? Look at silver, baby. We've been making some money on silver. Took some of that down last night. Look at it. I'm starting to get dojis, and I got a 76 RSI, and I'm getting fucking dojis. What does that tell you? It means that market's about to turn, man. Means it's about to turn. What else we got? Let me look. So we got the healthcare breaking out. They're running. I wouldn't trim those just yet. I'd start trimming gold and silver. Okay, be ready to put it back on. But let's take something down. We made some money. We can put it back on. Get your mind around trading Bitcoin Which baby, Bitcoin just baby. Where's you at? Bitcoin, come on, man. I saw what Bitcoin was doing today. Bitcoin just hit the 120,000 mark. 120,421. How about that? Huh? On the 26th of, if you go over here, click the damn QR, get on my email list. We have 3 different letters we send out. November 26th, if you weren't too fucking busy, I sent you a notice, sent you an alert, and told everyone I was multiplying, double pushing all my money I had into perpetual contracts and futures contracts on Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Solana. We've been straight up since. I watch this shit 24/7. Every fucking day, I'm watching it. I don't know what you're doing, but I need help, man. I need help, man. Put down your thing you're playing with in the garage and come help me, man. The Peters Report is updated daily and published each Sunday evening. Visit geraldpeters.info or go to Gerald Peters Full Auto 11 at Substack, man. Let's see. Bitcoin here. Pull up the win. Let's check in on the Bitcoin. Boom. So here's our numbers. Get over to my Bitcoin. I got a new list just for Bitcoin. I'm doing it by my damn self since I can't find anybody that wants to be committed and stick to it without quitting. Ha. Oh, I'm just kidding, man. Bitcoin for dummies. Trading BTC to creating cash flow. Tonight, 8 p.m. Central Time, limited spots, less than 1 hour. That's the wrong date on that. Let me get back to you on that. We're fixing to do another Bitcoin seminar. How you can make cash flow with Bitcoin, how you can trade Bitcoin, and how you can use leverage on Bitcoin if you don't have that much money. Man, I hope you hit that QR code. Subscribe to the petersreport.com. Bitcoin's pushing up. We got a 123,000 overhead. I expect we break through that and hit the 125 mark over the next few days, maybe at the weekend or the first of next week. That's what the MFG Trade Desk thinks, and I tend to agree with them. Okay, being that I'm the Bitcoin fucking expert, since nobody else can commit to it. Let's see. Sorry if I have animosity. I kind of do. I ain't lying. Let's see. What did I want to look at? Hold on. We covered it. We covered Vikings. Oh, we've been playing a lot more speculative plays. So I put us an AMC. I don't know. We're up 10 or 15% in AMC. We got the AI trade going. I've got 3 or 4 different small cap stocks in the AI trade. That bad boy's running. I doubled my positions in the after hours in AI, okay? In AI. In AI. Let's see. We're expecting that to run up at least to the $24 range, man. So that's looking good. Run through the winds. We got oil. Oil's in a stage 4 decline over here, heading straight down. Look, oil looks like it wants to go down into that $60 range. Fuck, that's a long ways down, man. I hate that. Let's see. We looked at Bitcoin. I'm also following Bitcoin on a 30-minute chart right here. And we see on a 30-minute chart, we got a stage 2 breakout underway, man, right here. On the 30-minute chart is where I'm at to make my moves, okay? Making money moves, right? Boom, look. But our first target is going to be right up in here. We got plenty of room. Market's looking good, man. This is easy peasy. This is easy money. This is easy trading. Come on and come trade with me, man. I want to make you a trader. I want to help you. I want to build your passive income. I want to get you into the second income stream. You start making more money. You got money coming out your pockets, that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get a little bit richer every day. And I believe that you have everything inside of you, that whatever you think about comes about. I promise you, whatever you focus on grows. Unless you quit, then it's not going to grow. That's how that works for all the quitters. Let's see. I'm very mad at quitters right now. So many of them. It's gross. Absolutely fucking gross. Let's look at copper. Copper's been in interesting big plunge in copper. only to hold up and then come right back. Which meant if we were to look at FCX, copper's a play. It's a stage one right here. FCX. Freeport McMoran is the stage one, baby. I would be buying this stock. I would get on Freeport McMoran. All right. What else we got going here? The wind. Where are we at? Copper. We did gold. Look at the Dow. Dow's only a 64 RSI. This is just a grind higher. I don't think nothing slows it down. RSI 64 on the Dow Jones. We're trading at 46,519. This thing's just going to creep on going. We're going to keep on going, until we stop. Look at the VIX. The VIX is at 16. That's creeped up a little bit from the 15. Nothing to worry about there yet. Silver, we covered, taking profits. Gold, we took profits. Bohr, I don't know why that's in here. Let me get Bohr out of here. What else? The S&P continuously, 69 RSI, continues to move higher. What else do we got? And bonds. Bonds is resistance target. Look at that. Look what I wrote right here. This would be the resistance target area. And resistance becomes support when price breaks through. And look what happened here. Look at this, man. This is classic textbook chart reading. This is how you create structure, right? Anchor point, anchor point, anchor point, right? Stage two, stage two, stage two. You see it? Previous high. We know the market's going to stop at a previous high just like it did. Then it's going to pull back. And what did it do? It stopped right at the first line of what had been resistance, now becomes support. Man, that's a beautiful chart. I might use that later today if we do some teaching, man. We might use that later today. Yeah, man. I went a little longer than I wanted. Come on, get fired up, man. A lot of people, too many people I know are lukewarm, man. You better get your shit together. There's an economic fucking tsunami about to come, and a lot of people are being lazy, sitting on your loins, and you're not prepared. You got a family to protect, king, queens. Get it together, and let's get this shit going, man. My name is Gerald Peters. Listen, I love you guys. I do anything I can to help you. Send me a text message. I think I sent you my line. You come trade with us. Get a copy of my book. It's a cult classic, man. I've sold over 50,000 copies of The Money Flow. The Money Flow trading system. Guarantee it'll change your life, man. And get my free ebook. You don't have to die broke. Completely fucking free. We'll fix your life. Hey, don't even bother getting in a trading group if your life's all fucked up. You're all in kind of debt and you're all out there. I ain't going to be able to help you. We're trying to make a whole person, man. God bless.
We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. There's a name for them. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.